Third day on the job at A. Cardillo & Sons. Still driving this beautiful R model Mack. Probably the last day. I got Cardillo crew member Gabe loading me here. It's an 1.5 inch stone. I'm going to take it out to Littleton, Massachusetts. Probably come back and probably call it a day. At least 6 loads for the day here. So far so good. 3 days on the job, no complaints. Real busy, the way I like it. Just hauling ass, walking the dog. That's it, Boston Trucker. Stay tuned for some more videos. Should be getting my truck pretty soon. Get it fluffed and buffed. I'm gonna put her on video. Boston Trucker out.